Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about AutoDS. We're going to talk about forming your online store and managing it and adding products and seeing a winning product and so on. So let's go into that video. Click here on Start Dropshipping after you visit the link of AutoDS. Start dropshipping. It will load for a couple seconds and you will be forwarded to a login screen where you will log in with your account or create a new account. I've already created a new account. Here's my account. Wait for it to load. Yeah, these are loading. Okay, so here you will be greeted with a marketplace. Click here on winning products, for example, to see the products that are trending right now with on TikTok and on everything. Winning products. Okay, so currently people are liking these three products most. Okay, they've been around for around 2 months. For example, I like that product, so I want to see more info about it. It will open a new tab about that product. It will show me a title about that product, the reviews and the amount of reviews, the product ID, and so on. The potential profit is around $34 and being sold for $48. Okay, 47.90 cents. Orders, there have been more than 800 orders on that specific product, so that shows that that product is pretty intensive for orders. Saturation score is busy and the engagement score is mild, so that product is very good for drop shipping. Gender, male or female, so basically unisex. Age 25 to 50, marital status, interests, occupations, depending on the product. So the item cost is $10. It ships from China and it's $2 per 12 business days to United States. You have the option for it to be shipped already from US. So you click here and also, yeah, the price doesn't change that much. You have options and so on. Okay, I like that product. Okay, I'm going to import draft for it and it will be kept here in drafts, which we are going to go later on. Here it shows you social ads on TikTok and so on that people talk about it. We have the competitors that people sell with the prices, with also the shop that they use, almost all Shopify. Okay, so let's see TikTok Spy. You'll have to upgrade or your subscription for that. It's around $7, I think, if you click here. Yeah, $7. Okay, and you'll then, if I have a store, a clothing brand or a local clothing brand, and I want to create but I don't have a supplier of the t-shirts and sweatshirts and so on, but I have my design and my logo. You can go and get the supplier from AutoDS. So for example, I like these sweatshirts, so I click on it and the item will cost me as the buyer that was going to sell later $25 to $27. The colors will show these are the only four available colors. Let's choose white for let's choose black, for example. There are many sizes. Let's choose medium. Okay, it will show you all info about that specific sweatshirt. You will have to edit the product and choose for it the design. You'll have to upload in only these three file formats, front and back, if you want to edit the design from the back or the front. Okay, after you've done so, you'll message the supplier about that specific design that you want and he will contact you about the price and so on and the shipping. Dashboard. So if people begin storming into your store and buy products from you, you'll see the amount of profit that you've gained over time, the amount of orders you've gotten, the total revenue, and how many products you've put on your store. Orders will also show you all orders that have been ordered on your account, ones that have been successfully accomplished or returned or still processing or just ordered right now, and so on. So now products, I don't have any current products. We're going to get back to this right now. Drafts. We, from a couple minutes ago, or actually 1 minute ago, we've talked about that product that I like. Okay, I want to import that product so I can begin putting it on my store. So you're going to click on import. Yeah, it's imported. It's beginning to import. I want to see the status of the importing. You click here on view details. It will show you, yeah, it's in progress. The store, this and the store item ID, which we can open it on Amazon or Etsy depending on the store that it's on. Okay, now it's imported to my store. I can go like this and copy my product ID. Just make sure to know all your product ID before uploading it to your system. And you want to add a product, so you click here on add products, single product, and paste the product ID that we've just copied multiple seconds ago. You're going to choose the supplier source for that thing. We will just keep on AliExpress and then publish to store or edit now, but we'll just publish to store. And then it will also process like importing it processed. You're going to click here and you're going to see that it is in progress. You'll wait for it a couple of seconds. You can try to refresh, Control R or refresh on your browser, and it actually didn't finish still. Okay, let's go through other tabs while it loads. You can go through customer support also for the store itself, not for the customers. Many people confuse this. Okay, if you need help with your store or there's a specific technical problem or so on. Settings. So you have the supplier settings, Amazon, AliExpress, China, US, Walmart, US, eBay. You'll add these specific details. Okay, automations, templates, keywords, plan-ons, so Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon, eBay, and so on. Accounting and billing, users, where accounts, notifications. So if I want new order updates, I click here. Order failed updates, I click here. Order successful updates that it reached the customer that I want, you can choose. Tracking number updates and so on. Store settings, you can choose your default currency, renew token, set store watermark for pictures that are on your products, resync store, and if you have branding settings or you've generated a logo for your store, you can also upload it here and click save, of course, after you've done this. So let's go and check our product. Yeah, it's still in progress, but when you get it, you'll find it here on products. Click here on products, and you'll find it. Oh, it actually worked. So it's here now. People will begin buying from me after you do ads or try to promote your web store or this online store for AutoDS online, and people will begin and click here and order your thing. Yeah, and that's mostly it for today. Thank you, and please put a like and subscribe for our channel. Thank you.